Hello and welcome back. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about data validation, but I would be focusing on how to create drop-down lists in Excel. Now, instead of having to type gender and you type in male and then maybe for this female and then you make errors. For example, this could lead to typo errors. You can decide to create a drop-down list and all you do is just select the appropriate gender and allocate it to the name. Now, for you to do that, the first thing you need to do is create your lookup, which I like to call it, with the different sheet tab, just as I've got it like this, male and female. Now, once you've done that, that takes you to the next step. Now, for the next step, all you need to do is highlight the cells that you need that you would like to create a drop down list on. Once you've highlighted it, you move down to your data tab. And then once you get to your data tab, under the data tools, you select the drop down and click on data validation. Now, once this pops up, basically all you need to do is click on this drop down and then select lists. Now, once you've done that, click on the source and then navigate down to your drop down. So I'm going to pick the values that I want it to contain in my drop down. And once I'm done, I click on the arrow back and I'm going to say OK. And that's how to get it done. So if I come here, I can just select John is a male, Sophie is a female, and so have you. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial and if there are any questions you'd like to ask, please do well to drop down in the comment section and please do well to encourage me to keep making such amazing videos like this. Please do well to follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.